In this guide, you'll learn how to use the calendars in Starbrix. Starbrix offers several calendars. Let's start with the project calendar. Here I have an example project with two tasks, Task A and Task B, each with a schedule. Since these are part of the project's master plan, they're also visible in the task list. I've also added two to-dos, To-Do C and To-Do E. Now let's open the calendar to see how they appear. At the top row, tasks are displayed as full-day events. To-Do C is also shown as a full-day item. To-Do E, however, has a specific time, so it's displayed within the day. Here we also have a calendar event, a project meeting. Unlike tasks or to-dos, this is simply an event attached to the project. By opening it, I can see and edit the meeting details, participants, start time and end time. From the calendar, I can open and edit tasks, to-dos, and events if needed. I can also easily reschedule an item by dragging it to a new time. And if I need to adjust its duration, I can just resize its length directly in the calendar. I can also add new events by clicking and dragging directly on the calendar. Give it a title, add details, and save it. By default, what you add is an event, but you can also choose to make it a task, which becomes part of the master plan, or a to-do, which appears in the to-do list as well as here in the calendar. Keep in mind, a calendar to-do always has a due date but no duration. That means it shows as a 5-minute item if you give it a time, or at the top of the day if you only set a date. If you're going to add master plan tasks directly in the project calendar, I suggest first turning on scheduling in hours and minutes. Otherwise, the start and end times won't be saved. You'll only keep the dates. The project calendar shows everything related to this project in one place: tasks, to-dos, and events. The benefit is clear. You get a complete picture of the project schedule, making it easy to see how deadlines, meetings, and small to-dos fit together. Now let's look at the different calendar views. You can switch to week view, move forward and backward through time, or jump to today. You can also view a single day, or switch to a month format for a broader overview. All items remain editable in every view. You can also jump quickly to any date, for example the 15th of October, or return to today with one click. But Starbrix has more calendars than just the project calendar. In your member calendar, you'll see all tasks, to-dos, and events where you are personally involved within the organization. And in your personal account, you can track both your organization work and your private items in one place. If you deselect the resource, you'll get the organization calendar. Here you can see everything across the entire organization, all tasks, to-dos, and events. This is especially powerful for managers who need the big picture and want to balance workloads. You can also filter by member, for example, to see exactly what Anna is working on. That makes it easier to check availability and prevent overload. Or filter by workspace, to focus on all activities tied to an area such as product development. Or even filter by customer or supplier, to view everything connected with that partner, giving you a complete picture of your commitments in that relationship. Altogether, Starbrix calendars let you zoom in or out from a single project to your own tasks to the whole organization, or just the parts that matter most. This flexibility means you always have the right perspective for the situation, helping you stay aligned, avoid surprises, and keep projects on track.